Welcome to Getting Started with Canvas. In this portion, we will be discussing the profile area of the global navigation menu.
The next option in our global nav menu under our account is our profile. Your profile allows you to list contact information, give students a brief biography, and provide any general links. These are not course specific, so do make sure you keep that in mind as you list links here. If you wanted to add any information to this page, you can use the three dots at the top right and choose Edit Profile. You can provide students with a little biographical information, maybe a link to a Twitter or a WordPress that you use regularly across all your courses. However, anything that is course-specific should be added within that course. Number one thing to remember is always hit Save. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.